As phase 2 elections heat up, Amit Shah exclusively has spoken to CNN News 18 that the voters want an infiltrator-free state and has even warned Rahul Gandhi, Lalu cannot protect the non-citizens, because remember, this is NDA's resolve that the moment they come to power again, they will be taking the Ghuspetias out. And if the Mahagathbandhan comes to power, this is the warning that has been sent out by the Union Home Minister, who said that they will only be bringing the Ghuspetias back. Let's quickly listen in to what the Home Ministers had to say.
कश्मीर में सोनिया, मनमोहन, लालू की सरकार में आए दिन तक आतंकवादी आते थे, गोलियां चलाते थे और चले जाते थे। मोदी जी के वक्त में भी एक प्रयास हुआ, उन्होंने उरी में हमला किया, हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया। उन्होंने पुलवामा में प्रयास किया, हमने एयर स्ट्राइक किया। और उन्होंने पहलगांव में हमारे यात्रियों को मारा, हमने पहलगांव में यात्रियों को मारा। हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर पाकिस्तान के घर में घुसकर आतंकवादियों का सफाया कर दिया।
All right, so different charges coming in from the BJP top guns, whether it is Prime Minister Modi raking up the Jungle Raj era of the RJD government in Bihar, or it is the Home Minister himself talking about how it is the national security happens to be a top priority for the NDA government. Let's quickly go across to Pallavi, who will put both the top guns for us into perspective. So, there's in fact a rebuttal coming in from Priyanka Gandhi to begin with. Pallavi, Priyanka Gandhi said that on one hand they are celebrating a non-violent song like Vande Mataram, and on the other hand the Prime Minister talks about Katta and Jungle Raj. Is the Mahagathbandhan currently standing on shaky grounds with that charge of Jungle Raj being levelled against them?
Well, within the Mahagathbandhan, I would say the RJD, of course, would have a reason to be worried about, because this is something which, when I was traveling in many areas, Akanksha, there were a large number of women voters, and both the NDA as well as the Mahagathbandhan are leaning heavily as far as the women voters are concerned. Many of the women expressed their concern that, in case the Mahagathbandhan comes back to power, will it be a return of the Jungle Raj days? We've seen a story of women empowerment taking place in many parts of Bihar. When we were traveling late into a night, we often saw women sitting alone. They were, also having their meals and not scared to go out and work late. So that worry is very much there, which is why, for precisely this reason, Akanksha, in the Mahagathbandhan manifesto, it is very interestingly and significantly this concern is addressed, which is why he talks about a zero tolerance as far as crime is concerned. Wherever he goes, Tejaswi Yadav talks about give me another chance. The NDA has plenty. We heard the Prime Minister say so. We've heard Mr. Amit Shah also make the larger point that the legacy of Lalu Prasad Yadav can never be lost.
Also, when we talk about the BJP top guns, whether it is Amit Shah or even JP Nadda in that CNN News 18 exclusive, both have maintained that they're going to cross 160. What is giving NDA that confidence at the moment?
Well, the ground reality, I would say, the fact that Mahagathbandhan's dynamics is weighed down by the Congress party's lackluster campaign. Many of the statements which have been made by Rahul Gandhi on Chhath Puja, which has given enough ammunition to the BJP to hit out at even Lalu Prasad Yadav and Tejaswi Yadav specifically. Elections are won and lost also on the basis of the organization, on the basis of the cadre. And I certainly did find that the Congress party was quite confused. Their wrong selection of candidates is also one of the huge concerns. And the discomfort of Tejaswi Yadav when he shared stage with Rahul Gandhi over some of the comments made by Rahul also goes on to show that the Mahagathbandhan has a reason to be worried about. And then I never found this to be a wave election. I never found any anger against Nitish Kumar or anti-incumbency strong enough. So that's, I guess, where the confidence is coming in from.
Many thanks to you, Pallavi, for putting that into perspective for us. Let's quickly shift focus over to some reactions that have come in. This as phase 2 elections are now heating up. Amit Shah has in fact spoken to CNN News 18. He said that the voters want an infiltrator-free state and has even warned Rahul Gandhi that Lalu cannot protect the non-citizens. Let's listen.
पूर्णिया की सड़कों पर केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह का इस समय रोड शो चल रहा है और एक बार आप भीड़ देखें कि यहाँ पर कितनी ज्यादा भीड़ है, काफी ज्यादा भीड़ है क्योंकि सेकंड फेज का चुनाव है यहाँ पर। सर, सेकंड फेज का चुनाव है, खास करके सीमांचल की सड़कों पर आप हैं, किस तरीके का माहौल देख रहे हैं सर?
देखिए, पूरा सीमांचल घुसपैठिया मुक्त बिहार चाहता है और वो हम बना करें
जी। क्योंकि आपने घुसपैठियों का सवाल भी खड़ा भी किया था, बहुत सारे वोटर्स को लेकर विपक्ष भी सवाल लगातार खड़ा कर रहा है कि नाम काटे गए हैं और वो सब चीजें।
नहीं, जो भारत के नागरिक नहीं है
जी,
उनके नाम काटे ही जाएंगे
जी।
राहुल जी और लालू जी उनको बचाना चाहते हैं मगर बचा नहीं पाए
जी। सर, ये बताएं कि जो फर्स्ट फेज में जो वोटिंग हुई, इस बार रिकॉर्ड तोड़ वोटिंग हुई है, पिछले कई सालों का रिकॉर्ड टूटा है, इसके क्या मायने हैं?
इसके मायने यही है कि हमारा आकलन है 160 का, इससे भी आगे बहुमत के साथ हम जीत सकते।
सर, इस बार चुनाव में और खास करके सीमांचल क्योंकि मुस्लिम बहुल ये इलाका है, क्या मुद्दे रहे हैं इस बार?
गत चुनाव में भी हम यहाँ से बहुमत के साथ जीते थे और इस बार और बहुमत के साथ जीतेंगे क्योंकि हमने सीमांचल को घुसपैठिया मुक्त कराने का वादा किया।
एक सवाल लगातार खड़ा होता है कि जीत के बाद एनडीए किसको मुख्यमंत्री बनाएगी, लगातार विपक्ष इसको लेकर सवाल खड़े।
अरे, आपकी चैनल पर ही मैं स्पष्ट कर चुका हूँ, काहे को एक का एक।
जी सर, क्या अनुमान है पहले चरण के चुनाव के बाद, क्या अनुमान अब लग रहा है? अब क्या असेसमेंट लग रहा है पहले चरण के बाद?
हम 160 से ज्यादा सीटों से इस चुनाव में विजय प्राप्त करेंगे, सीट जीतने के हमारे मार्जिन भी बढ़ेंगे।
और एक सवाल और सर, सीमांचल में क्या लग रहा है कि पार्टी का, एनडीए का क्या परफॉर्मेंस लगने वाला?
हमारी सीटें बढ़ेगी बड़ी मात्रा में।
पूर्णिया की सड़कों पर केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह का